Go ahead and take a deep breath up. And take your stretch over to the left, and then engage in that oblique to pull up and over to the other side. Keep breathing the entire time. Feel that stretch in the side and don't push anything. Take it back over to the left and then circle it slowly around, keeping the spine nice and round, keeping the neck nice and long. Bring it all the way back up to the top. Take another deep breath up through the center. Lengthen the spine and then get ready to do it to the other side. Dive over to your right, circle the spine around, nice round spine as you take it to the front and to the left, and then stack that spine back up nice and slow. Nice. Go ahead and take another deep breath up and release the spine, rounding the back forward now, releasing the torso forward, hips back, and then rounding the spine again. Do that one more time because it feels so good. And round the spine. And when you're here, go ahead and feel free to twist the hips to get a little extra stretch along the sides of the body while you're folded forward. Coming back up to standing, take another deep breath up. Release the arms, and let's go ahead and stretch out the quads, finding your balance, or feel free to hold on to a chair or to the wall, stretching out that left quad, bringing your heel towards your hips, and now taking that foot to the ground and bring the arm up above the head. Go ahead and play with that stretch. You can slightly lean forward and back before you come back up to standing. Take that foot in front of you, that same foot, and go ahead and pull the toes up towards the ceiling, keeping your back as flat as possible. And once you can't stretch any farther, go ahead and round it over to get a nice gentle stretch in the back before slowly coming back up to standing. And we will go ahead and do it on the other side. So find your balance now, pulling your right heel towards your glute, tucking the hips underneath, keeping the chest nice and lifted, and then take that foot behind and reach the same arm up and over your head, feeling that stretch. Feel free to play in that stretch to get into all the little muscles in the back and in the side. Opening back up, and then stepping behind, doing the other leg, bringing your foot, the toes high, keeping the back nice and flat. Don't put any pressure on your knee. You can be above the knee or below, and then when you've reached your max stretch, go ahead and round that spine over. Slowly bringing it back up to standing. Take another nice deep breath, and then go ahead and twist side to side, making sure you release your feet to protect your knees, feeling that stretch in the spine. A couple more side to side twists. And then let's go ahead and stretch out the neck. Take a gentle circle, side, front, side, and keep it nice and lifted in the back. And then when you're ready, go ahead and take it back the other direction. Nice lifted chin to the back, releasing it to the front, coming back up to center. Open the chest up, round the spine, and again, opening the chest, bringing the shoulders behind if that's comfortable, rounding the upper body forward. Do that one more time. Nice, rounding that body forward. And giving the hips a little twist one more time because it feels so good, stretching out in the sides of the body. And coming back up to center. Take one more deep breath up. And go ahead and forward fold. Just release it all. Release the head, the neck, the arms. Take a nice deep breath. If it's comfortable here, you can bend and straighten the knees, one and then the other. Feel the stretch up the back of those legs. Release the head completely and just relax. One more breath here. And then you can widen the stance and take your hands over to your left leg. Take a nice deep breath. As you exhale, feel the chest fall a little closer to your thigh. And then take it over to the other side. Same thing here. Just relaxing the upper body, stretching towards your thigh, coming back to the center. You can grab your elbows for a little extra stretch, and then we'll take it down into a big goddess squat. Feel free to move the hips up and down and slowly roll it back up to standing. Bring the feet together. One last deep breath up and exhale. Nice job.